Hi, we're going to feed my sourdough. I took about half of this out earlier to make sourdough starter dough to make a loaf. So now we need to feed this. I usually try to feed it twice for each loaf that I make so that I have extra sourdough starter. I put in a little less than a teaspoon of sugar in to get the yeast fired up and nice and happy. I have about 1 cup, 8 ounces here of lukewarm water. And I'm just going to put in a cup of King Arthur's whole wheat flour. You could also use other kinds of flour, but I like the whole wheat better. Dump that right in. Stir it up. Before I add the water, it gets pretty dry and pasty. And then I put in most of the water, but not all. I tend to do this by eye and not by science. When the starter looks nice and moist, then I'm happy, and sometimes it's wetter than it should be, and that's okay, and sometimes it's a bit drier than it should be, and that's also okay. It all balances out in the end. And we're stirring it up, making sure that we have no dry flour anywhere hidden in there. Get the moisture evenly distributed. So here's what it looks like now when it's done. And I'll just scrape this off the spoon into the bowl, and then I will cover it, and it will rest for anywhere from 12 to 24 hours. I'll probably do another feeding in 12 hours to have that extra sourdough starter. I keep the sourdough starter otherwise in the refrigerator for as long as even 2 weeks, and it's usually just fine. I typically try and get it out and feed it every week at a minimum. So I just cover it with some plastic and a tea towel, and I put it aside to rest. And that is feeding my sourdough starter. Thank you very much. See you soon.